Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fidrian Nabawi. I come from Tulungagung. I studied at the Polytechnic of Malang, majoring in civil engineering. My study program for construction of road, bridge, and water wheel. In here, I will explain about the incident, the bridge collapse from causes, and how to fix. The following is the Kutai Kartanegara Tenggarong Bridge. The Kutai Kartanegara Bridge is a bridge that crosses the Mahakam River and is the longest suspension bridge in Indonesia. The question is why this bridge could collapse. The main cause in an error during the planning, implementation, and maintenance of the bridge. Because prior to the collapse of the Kukar bridge, cracks, rusting, and damage had been identified in several parts of the bridge construction, so that the collapse of the longest suspension bridge in Indonesia is cumulative of several factors that occur. So, how to prevent that from happening? Maybe, from my opinion, we can minimize this incident by knowing the usefulness of the bridge planning, so we can maximize the planning according to what is the fault. But if the natural factor, we can only pray. So that's an example of a collapse bridge. That's all for me. If there is more or less my lesson, I'm sorry. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.